So the camera go a little up or down here, I think, but I think people see what's happening here. I think it's a very nice day, little cold wind. I take it one here, assistance one. For me it's very important to set this assistance so that when I'm feeling I have trouble, don't press you if you have lung problems. Don't press you. It's not. It's very important to not do that. So use the assistance. That's a very small assistant you can, but don't press you. It's not always. It can be dangerous if you press you. But don't think about it. Here it go down. So I use this down here to get more back my battery, my body battery, to the zero again, zero. So I can have my lung back to the beginning again. So you must think about that, so you don't press you if you have lung problems. It's not necessary, because you have assistance. You can use that, but I don't use that that place I can bicycle, because I want to have a little more condition in my legs, and it's good for the lungs to bicycle, you know. This I think is a little stupid, because it's small. So it's not so easy. But I think then you'll be older, you'll be a little more careful, you know, more extra careful. You are not so tough. That's what you was younger. More careful and older. Everything is very dangerous for you. That is normal. Then you'll be a little more older. You are you are not rocking more anymore. But depends how you look. But let's forget that. But anyway, it's more easy for me now, more funny for me now to bicycle. It's not. It's very nice to bicycle today. I said it was a little cold. It was a little cold for me. It's very. It's not so easy. And see, this is, I think, a little stupid. This is very stupid, I think, because I got yeah. So, but I don't want to bicycle on this shit there. It's okay. Take it easy, and that's okay. I think then I go to this 2 and assistance 1, because I feel go a little up here. I don't want to press me. So now we can go to the 4 and 5 gear, 4 or 5 gear, 5 gear, and I have assistance 1. And 20 kilometers is nothing, you know. Also here in this small, is also a trouble for me. So take it easy, and but you don't need to have assistance 5 here, because why are you outside with your bicycle? Sorry. Are you have a little fighting with the knees and the body, so you can be better there, or are you only sitting on the bike? Think about that. I want to have more condition. Condition, we call it in northern Sweden. Condition. So fitness for the English. Fitness. You must have fitness. If you not get fitness. And if you have a fat bike, it's not the bike some is fat, but you, because you're sitting too much front on the computer, maybe. It's not good for you, and not good for your legs. You don't want to have this blood prop in your legs. You want, So go out and bicycle. I will stop here a little. Anyway, because I feel you see the sunshine. It's very nice. And always it's spring, so it's not so green yet. Maybe a couple of weeks. It will be warmer now. Tomorrow will be warmer, so I want to bicycle every day now. That's good for me. Today was a little cold wind, but not here. Maybe this wind is gone now. Maybe. And think about it, I have this. I will do that. You see this is my moped, but it's function anyway, because I don't want to be cold in my hands. So that is very nice. So think about that, and think about the fitness. Out and have fitness in the sunshine. So for me it's very